Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand array initialization. The concept of array, the basic concept of array has already been discussed in our previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Let's try to understand how the initialization can be done. In our previous class where we discussed about the arrays, there we have said that an array is declared. The declaration of the array is done in this way. So this is how the array can be declared. It states that an array A has been created with 10 elements and all the elements are of type integers. So in our previous class we also covered the visualization of an array. So let's take this is visualization. So this is an array of 10 elements and each element is indexed with an number, and this is what we call it as an index of an array. Now this is what the declaration of an array is. How the elements can be initialized to an array. Initialization means at the time of declaration the values are provided. So the initialization is, so this is how the initialization is done. So we have to use these flower brackets for initialization. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how the initialization can be done. So with the execution of this line of code, this is a closing brace. It is curly brace. So what happens with this line of execution is the 0th element is going to be 1. So the 0th element is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is how the array will get created whenever we try to initialize the values with this, initialize the array with these values. And the important point to understand is in the initialization we have to use these curly braces. So open and closed curly braces. Within those open and closed curly braces we have to provide the values. Now for example, there are different other ways to initialize the values, not other ways, different ways we can check the values, initialize the values. The other kind of initialization means is, for example, if we give only 5 values out of 10 values. So we haven't given any further values, we have just given 5 values. How the array will get declared, how the array will get initialized. So with array of A is equal to 10, so the same array, we have initialized it in this way. So what happens on the array? What happens on the array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will get stored. After that the remaining elements will be stored with zeros. So this is how the array, this is how if the initialization of the array is done in this way. For example, if you want to clear the array, if you want to make all the elements in the array as zeros, so how can we do it? So how can we do it is very simple. So giving 10 zeros. No. So there is another way we can do it by giving 10 zeros. So it is possible, but the simplest way is just give 0, 1 0 within this curly braces. So with this all the values in the array will be zeros. Okay. For example, if you give 1, so is it mean that all the values in the array should be placed as ones? No, it is not like that. So 1 means it will behave in this way. If you are providing 0 means all the values will be provided with 0, so that the same concept will get applied. But here 1 is given means 1 in the first position, in the first index, and remaining all are going to be zeros. Okay, so this is how the array initialization can be done. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.